Claiborne, founder, editor-in-chief of Style and Society magazine, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, food, and everything in between. So today I am partnering with a brand that I love. It's called Adore Me. They are an online company and they are known for the comfiest, cozy pajamas, lingerie, and ready-to-wear items. So Adore Me comes delivered straight to your doorsteps in this really cute box, as you can see here, and everything on the site is between $29 and $39. Shipping is always free, but if you want to get your shipping expedited, you can pay an additional $7 and get your shipping within a week. And so when you open up your box, it comes with this cute tagline inside. It says, "Whatever you want to do in your lingerie, we support you. Hashtag here for it." So cute. So I just got my box and I want to show you guys what's inside. So what I'm wearing today is I am wearing a cute little pajama set from Adore Me. They are really, really big on lingerie and pajamas and loungewear and sleepwear. This set that I'm wearing is super cozy. It says beautiful. So I really love that. For me, it stands for women empowerment, and it comes with these cute little shorts. So as you can see, they're super cozy, especially now being at home and being in quarantine. I literally live in loungewear, so I absolutely love it. They have a lot of cute different sets. They have cute ones with like hearts on it. They have cute ones that are themed, and especially around the holidays, they have all kinds of cute pajama sets for the entire family. Adore Me has the most gorgeous lingerie, and I got this bra and panty set. Super cute. And the best part about it is it has like these cute little hearts on it. So if you're trying to like entertain your man for the night, or you guys are gonna do like a little staycation at home, it's super cute and very sexy. Now this also comes with these panties. You can actually get a bikini style or a thong style. I opted for the thong style. How cute are these? What I love about it is it has like a little heart in the back to match the bra set. So I absolutely love these. So I love this set because it's super comfortable. I love the mesh material. These hearts on the bra are super cute. And I've just paired this with the simple silk robe. It's great for vacation or date night, but I just love it. It's super effortless. So next in the box is another lingerie set. I thought this looked really, really cute for summertime. It's a peach colored bra and panty set, and it has these cute little daisy embroideries on it. I absolutely love this. Super cute. I would actually probably pair these with some overalls or something, or some like festival wear to like wear to like a summer music festival once we're out of quarantine. And then of course this bra has a cute little panty set to go with it. It looks like this, and it's made out of mesh, and it has like a cute little daisy embroidery on the back. I absolutely love it. So I've paired this really cute bra with a distressed cropped denim jacket, as you can see here. And then I have this these shorts that are like perfect for summertime, but as you can see, for festival season, it's really, really perfect, especially with like a flower crown of daisies. But I love this look throughout summer. Now, one thing that Adore Me has that is super cool is swimsuits. So they have one pieces, they have bikinis, they have all different styles. I saw this swimsuit online and I loved it because it kind of reminded me of like a vintage style. Of course, you can't go wrong with like a yellow or like a golden color for summer. It's perfect for the beach or just to lay out in the sun. But I really love this, and it says sun-kissed on the very front of it. So who doesn't like a one-piece swimsuit for summer? One-piece swimsuits are super classic. This kind of reminds me of like a style from like the 80s or like the 90s, but it's super comfortable. And as you can see, I've paired it with a sun hat. So Adore Me has really cool ready-to-wear items. For summertime, they have a ton of summer dresses. So I really love this dress. It has these red flowers on it all over. front and back is kind of like a skater style dress, so it's cute with like white sneakers, but I absolutely love that. So this is one of my favorite dresses in the box. I love it because it's floral and it's really feminine and girly. I really love like the A-line skirt. It's perfect with like white sneakers, or you can dress it up with heels. I've accessorized this with a statement red headband that's braided and this Angela Roy bag, as you can see here. Now this style actually really reminds me of something that I wore in the 90s. It's kind of like a slip dress style. So it's like a long slinky dress. I actually got a size small medium, but what I would probably do is I would put this with a belt to kind of like cinch in the waist, and I can actually wear this in the fall and winter by pairing this with a turtleneck and layering it. But I really love this. I would probably also pair this with some like black combat boots to give that whole like 90s vibe. So I love this slip dress. It has flowers all around it, so I absolutely love flowers for spring and summer. I paired it with this hat. The brand is Lacks of Color, and it's really effortless. It's very easy and breezy, and I love the pockets, super casual. You can pair this with either heels or combat boots for a more casual look. So next up, I have this Leopard Dress. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like a nightie, but it has lace on the very top, and it goes all the way around, but it's just a simple dress, simple slip dress that you can put on to go out to dinner, or go out on a date, or you know, a night out with the girls. But for this, I would probably pair this with some combat boots to kind of like edge it up a little bit, but I love this because it's just like a really solid basic. So I love animal prints, and leopard is one of my favorites. It's classic. Leopard really never ever goes out of style. This slip dress kind of reminds me a little bit of lingerie because of the lace detail here, but what I've done is I've paired this with a statement hat and a little bag, so perfect for a night out. You can put this on with some fishnet stockings, heels, or combat boots for a more casual look. Now, as you guys can probably tell by now, I love slip dresses, so here's another one. Now, they didn't have my size in this, so I actually ended up getting like a size extra large because it was the last one that they had. But I absolutely love this print. I love this like golden color. I think it's very sexy, and you can never go wrong with an animal print. So what I would do with this definitely is belt it because it is rather large, but if you belt it with like a cool staple belt and throw on some heels, it's like perfect for a night out. So this is another animal print. I love this color, and I love the black spots all around. And what I did is I paired this dress with a statement belt. This dress is an extra large. It's way too big, but it was the only size on the website, so I got it anyway. But I think it works. I think whatever size you are, it's kind of cool to be oversized and just kind of like loose fitting, and you can kind of cinch in your waist with whatever kind of statement belt that you have. You can put this on with heels, you can put this on with combat boots. I would actually probably pair this with maybe like a leather jacket, especially for fall, and I love it. I go to like a lot of like red carpet events normally, and I always am looking for like a cute dress that is a statement maker on the red carpet. So I absolutely love this dress. It is from Adore Me's Ready to Wear collection, and it's perfect for fall and winter. It has a deep neckline and it has long sleeves. I love the silver details on it. It's like a slinky, stretchy, really comfortable material. I think it's very form-fitting, so it'll be very flattering on. So last look, I definitely go to a lot of red carpet events, and I'm always looking for a dress that is red carpet ready, and so this dress definitely does the trick. I love the long sleeves. It's lightweight material, so it can take you from spring all the way through fall. It's very comfortable on, actually. The material is made of lycra and some spandex, so it's very like stretchy, and as you guys can see, it has a little bit of sparkly silver embellishment, so it's perfect for a night out or any red carpet. So overall, I absolutely love Adore Me. They make sizes from petite to plus, so it's an all-inclusive brand, and there's literally something for everybody. Especially now that we're at home during quarantine. You know, the trend right now for summer is a lot of loungewear, a lot of like comfortable cottons, you know, just like the piece that I'm wearing today. And you can also find bikinis, swimsuits, sleepwear, loungewear, corsets, bras, and panties. So it literally has everything that you need under the roof. I also love the price point. So everything on Adore Me is around $39, so it's super affordable. And then also, as a African American woman, it's so hard for me to find undergarments that are nudes. Most nudes are just one color tone of nudes, and I love that Adore Me offers nudes in every single shade, so you can find the right nude for you that matches your own skin tone. So every month, Adore Me releases 50 to 60 new designs of new on-trend fashion, so you can always find something that is really trendy and something perfect just for you. I absolutely love the range of products that they offer. I love the fact that it's affordable and always on trend for every single season. So the overall shopping experience at Adore Me is super fun, super easy. They have excellent customer service. One thing that I really love about the brand is the easy returns and exchange process. So if you order something from Adore Me, you know sometimes things don't really fit quite as you expected it to be, or maybe you've gotten the wrong size. The great thing about Adore Me is there's easy exchanges. So if you get something that's not perfect, you can exchange it absolutely for free. Adore Me also has a personal shopper, so those of you that need a little help or assistance with picking the right bra or panty set or bikini or sleepwear set, they have a personal shopper that will curate looks just for you based off of your own personal style. You should definitely check out the VIP membership at Adore Me. Every 6 set is absolutely free. You get $10 off anytime, and you get your bra and panty set for $39, which is a great deal for a set every single month. You also get access to exclusive VIP sales. So if you guys want to get your very own Adore Me box, make sure that you look at the links that I've included down in the box. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you also follow us on social media. You can follow me, Kenya Claiborne, and Style and Society on Instagram, on Facebook, and also on Twitter. So down below you'll find a link to all of my favorite things from Adore Me. Make sure that you subscribe to them and subscribe to me, and I will definitely be sharing so much more information about fashion, lifestyle, travel, food, and everything in between.